much for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to be doing one of those trendy videos, a Walmart clothing challenge, but this is just going to be a back to school edition. Okay, just before we get into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribing. Thank you so much for those of you that have already subscribed to this channel here. I'm so grateful for that. You give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to leave a comment down in the comment section. So if you want to see pictures of these outfits or any other outfits like in the future or in the past, make sure you follow me on Instagram. So I got a few stuff from Walmart. I don't have like a lot, but I'm gonna talk a little bit about it. Shopping from Walmart was really challenging, more challenging than I expected. So I had to like pair it up with stuff that I already had in my closet that was from, of course, you know, from other stores and so on. So the thing about shopping from Walmart is that if you're a very trendy person, you're not gonna be able to find 5 full outfits from Walmart. No. The main thing or the goal is to grab like as many pieces as you can get and then pair them with stuff that you already have in your closet or it's just stuff from other stores. And that way, girl, you're gonna be bougie on the budget. The purpose of this video here is to show people that you don't need to spend a lot of money to look good. You don't need to splurge to be put together and kind of trendy. A receipt here just to give you guys the prices of the stuff that I got from Walmart. First thing that I'm going to talk about is this sweater here. I got this sweater from the male section of Walmart. I was walking all over the clothing section and I couldn't find anything. So I just decided, you know what? We're just going to have to be creative. So I went into the male section and I found this sweater here. This was $10, well $9.99, which is $10, and the brand is Fruit of the Loom. Like Fruit of the Loom, like shit, that's an old brand, right? But yes, so I got this here. As you guys see that it's cropped in the lookbook, so all you need for this is just the scissors and your sweater and just cut it. So yes, so just to let you guys know, I'm showing you this before I did anything to the clothing. So yeah, we have this here, really good quality, like it's thick, like honestly this is really good quality. It's thick, the color just is so bright, it's so pretty, and we all know we're going to be going into spring, we're going to be going into fall, so that's like really good. This is gonna be bomb. Quality is amazing, like it's not thin. I mean, it's Fruit of the Loom, right? I mean, that's an old brand, it's cheap, but the quality is good. The next thing that I got from Walmart are these biker shorts. Well, they're my biker shorts. I got these in the section where they have like tights and like slips and pajamas and so on for women. I got these from this part here. So girl, these things are so stretchy. I got this one in a size, this is a medium. If I've gotten it in a small, it still would have fit, but this one here is a medium and the quality is amazing. So comfy. These are so good. Like I'm definitely going to be going back and get the nude because they only have white, black, and nude. Next thing I got from Walmart is this top here. This one is not so trendy, but I was out of options, so I just had to, you know, find something and just make it work. So this is what we have here. It's just a simple tank top. It's not so trendy, but I definitely think that you can like pair this with leggings or shorts. You can always dress this up to suit your style. It doesn't have to be something all lame, but this is really nice and the quality is amazing for $6. Really nice. The next thing I got from Walmart, you won't believe. So I got these pants here. These are boy pants. I got these from the boys section, the little boy section. I just got it in a large, so it fits me really nice. And you can pair this with anything. You can just, that's the thing, you just need to pick up pieces that can fit you and then pair it up with other stuff. Bougie on a budget. So these pants are really good quality. I would definitely recommend this to anybody that's trying to get some really nice camo camo pants but don't want to spend a whole lot of money on them because they can be really expensive, these are perfect. And who will know that I got this from the boys section? Like, just you guys. Just you guys. These pants were $7. $7. Like, come on. When I done pair this up with some, when I pair this up on a daily basis, whenever I decide to wear these pants, girl, my outfit is not gonna look like $7, okay? This is bomb. So, the next thing that I got from Walmart is a pair of jeans. A pair of jeans. These, the quality is okay. I mean, compared to like Fashion Nova, those big brands like Fashion Nova or so on, this is like basically like the same type, the same quality. And this was $17 from Walmart. This is like the only jeans I can find there that, you know, fit me really well. So as you guys can see, there's this dress here, but it's distressed, but inside of the pants, it doesn't show your skin. It's like a layer inside there, but it's really nice. It's really stretchy. I got this in a size 7, but a size 6 would have been perfect. But these are really good, like really nice. Honestly, I would buy this, and no shame in this here. $17 for a pair of jeans. I don't think you can beat that. So the last thing that I got from Walmart is this short here. I mean, it looks like a boy shirt, like for real. But yes, I got this in the boy section. I mean, I was just thinking that, you know what, just cut it and make it into a crop top, and we good to go. But this is this here. Simple. It's very stretchy. The quality is amazing, and it just says the talent has arrived. That sounds like a boy. So yeah. If you guys think that that was a good idea, make sure you give this video a thumbs up or leave a comment in the comment section. So yeah, so that's everything I got from Walmart. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm not gonna ramble on anymore. I just want to say thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys in my next video.